I'm going to shoot down a cash register. First I need a gun. Oh hey, I can steal one.
Excuse me, what are you here for?
I want a gun, give me one or I'll force you to watch Dora.
Fine, G's here.
Thanks you noob piece of crap. I have the gun so I'll shoot it down. Yeah, I broke it, now he won't get more money. Beige, 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 beige.
I heard gun noises, I gotta get in the store to see what's happening.
I agree.
Oh no, it's Kayla, I'm busted.
Out of the office, out of the office, out of the office. Dad, how dare you shoot down the cash register? You know you can't do that at this store. And it's luck you're not in jail, so we're grounded until that cash register gets sent to the dump. Let's go home right now, we're very disappointed in you.
WAA.
Go to her room now.
WAA.